Okay, now we have done creating the first and second gimbal of the gyroscope. Let's create the rotor for this gyroscope too. So the size of the rotor is pretty simple. The size of the rotor is 40 millimeter in diameter. Okay, and the placement of it will be at the center of the whole gyroscope. The height is the same. Okay, we are going to set the height to 15 millimeter. So let's start to create this rotor in Tinkercad.
Okay, right now we have our first and second gimbal. Let's create the rotor for our gyroscope. Okay, so the rotor is basically the plane, okay, at the center part of your gyroscope. So to create a rotor is very simple. It's almost like creating a gimbal, just that you don't need to crop up the center part. So let's highlight this one and move it to a side. Same thing, we are going to use a sphere, okay, and increase the steps to maximum. And then this time, this sphere, the size will be 40 millimeter in diameter. Okay, so let's increase the size to 40, hold shift and increase it. Okay, 40. Okay, so when you increase the size, always remember to hold on the shift. Like this, you will get the height, length, and width to increase simultaneously. Okay, so 40. Right now, let's get the box, okay, to crop up the center part. To crop up the top and bottom part, so we will have the center. So this one, we're gonna to make it to 41. And for the length and the width also. So this one too. Click on it to 41. So how about the height? Same formula. Over here, okay, I use this one. Let me see. 40, okay, minus by 15 for the center, divide it by 2. So it's 12.5. So I'll change the height to 12.5. Okay, now hold this, click on this and press Ctrl D to duplicate one more, and then select it and align it. Okay, I'm going to align this one also at the same time. Click on the blue one, go center, center to the top. Group everything, and you get the rotor. Okay, so let's align everything together. Highlight everything, or you can use Ctrl A. Click on align. Okay, let's move it to the center, center, and center of our screen, the bottom left. Oopsie. So let's move this down to 0. Okay, good. Now it's placed nicely on your wood plate. So now, and that's all for our rotor. Simple, right? So try yourself to create the rotor for your gyroscope. You can choose any color if you want. If let's say 3 of the side, okay, for the gimbal, first and second gimbal and the rotor you want to be different color, you can click on it and change the color accordingly. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.